Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Ty by House of Kicks, and I have a new pickup in the house. Got this from a third-party merchant. So let's see what's in here. I mean, I kind of know what it is, but I kind of want to do this live in front of you guys. So let's see what we have here, all right? Let me rip this thing apart, and let's take this out of his bag. All right, now let me tell you something. Like, if you were part of, like, if you grew up in the 90s, this right here is an incredible reminder of what happened in the 90s. This is a Dream Team USA, the 1992 team. This is Michael Jordan jersey. All right, I found this on the third-party merchant website, and I couldn't resist the urge to just pull the trigger. Like I said, I could not resist the urge to pull the trigger. This is just a classic jersey. Now, the number and the names are embroidered on the backside. Jordan number 9. Now, a lot of people speculate as to why he wore number 9. Some people say he was supposed to symbolize his dedication, hard work. This is pure speculation. Nobody really knows. I think a lot of people just want to make up stories. So unless Michael Jordan himself talks about it, I will not make any comments on that. But this jersey is just a classic, all right? On the front side, you have USA, because this is the Olympic team here. USA, Team USA, the blue, the red, and the white. And you say USA basketball, because if you wear these colors, you are standing for the US. All right, so again, I'm not American, but again, I love the USA team, because even back in Togo when I was watching TV, all we wanted to see was a dream team. We were like glued to our TV just watching Michael Jordan dunk. You know, that team was classic. You had Karl Malone, you had Charles Barkley, you had John Stockton, you had Larry Bird, you had Magic Johnson, you had His Excellence, the GOAT. I don't care what anybody says, the GOAT, Michael Jordan. I mean, take nothing away from Kobe, from LeBron James in the 2010 team. But I'm telling you, this team would like set the stage for everybody else. It's almost like that's the dream team that set the stage for USA basketball, in my opinion, all right? Again, I love the jersey. I love the quality. It's made with some kind of synthetic fabric, holes in it for perforation, for ventilation purposes. Like I said, the numbers are embroidered on the backside, number 9. And the sides, now there's no branding on it, which is great, because then you don't have to like suffer any problem with like counterfeit and stuff like that. I like that, okay? You don't have to have a branding to wear a great jersey. This is incredible. This is size large, and I will have this on the website, and I also have it, if you want to grab one, I will have a link for you. Again, this is a classic, and you can't go wrong with this. You cannot go wrong with this jersey. I absolutely love this. It brings so much nostalgia. And if you're one of those that grew up in the 90s, you certainly want to grab one of these. Please check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. This is Ty from Master Kicks, and stay tuned for more stuff. Boom!